While Giant tubeless tires are far less prone to punctures, flats can still happen. The Giant Tubeless System provides a complete flat tire solution for both on-road and off-road conditions. Giant also offers a complete line of traditional inner tubes to get you back on your bike. If you only have a Giant inner tube to fix a flat, follow these 6 simple steps. 1. Clean. Find the puncture and clean the surface area of the tire. 2. Remove the tire from the rim. Place 2 Giant tubeless tire levers on both sides of the valve 10 centimeters apart. Use the tire levers at the same time to remove the bead. Attach one lever to the spoke and use the other lever to pull the bead from the rim. 3. Remove the tubeless valve. Remove the old sealant. Giant tubeless sealant is biodegradable, but please dispose according to your local regulations. 4. Insert the inner tube. 5. Remount the tire. Ensure tire beads are placed in the rim's center channel. 6. Inflate the tire to the appropriate tire pressure. These flat tire repair solutions are only for emergency use. If you need to use one of the repair kits, it means your tubeless system has been damaged, and the tubeless performance cannot be guaranteed by Giant anymore. To ensure safety, Giant highly recommends replacing any damaged tire that requires use of one of the tubeless tire repair kits before your next ride.